Hussein Abir here. Welcome to my cybersecurity course. This is a foundational course for beginners. If you have no prior experience or knowledge in IT or cybersecurity, this may be a good place to start with. When I was a beginner myself, I struggled in the vastness of the cybersecurity world, and I often found myself demotivated. I couldn't keep track of progress. I couldn't connect the dots. Now that I know better, I don't want you as a beginner to suffer as I did. And so, I have prepared a roadmap that will help you keep track of your progress, connect the dots, and keep yourself motivated. Keeping yourself motivated is very important because the world of cybersecurity is like a vast ocean, and you don't want to get lost in the middle of it and then quit. You can see the blinking light in the start of the roadmap, so you're just starting out. In the first chapter, I'll teach you the fundamentals of networking, just enough to move things forward to the next chapter. In the second chapter, I'll teach you to install Windows and Linux as dual boot systems. So on your PC, you will be able to host both the operating systems. You'll become comfortable using the terminal and PowerShell. And in the end, as a bonus, I will teach you how to install Kali NetHunter on your Android phone. The third chapter, I'll be using various terminal tools that will help you detect. The fourth chapter will teach you to read logs and detect events. And the last three chapters will teach you to perform basic attacks on web applications, crack passwords, and exploit Wi-Fi vulnerabilities. At the end of this course, you can safely call yourself a script kiddie. And if you have questions, you're always welcome to write it up in the comments. So subscribe to get notified